Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chef here. Today I am making slight variation on the Chinese soy chicken. I will add a couple extra flavors to it and we will make a dipping sauce to serve on the side. It's gonna be great. Let's get started. Here's everything I'm going to use for this recipe. Got a half a chicken here, Shaoxing cooking wine, light soy sauce, handful of dried chilies, got 4 green onions, and I have just about entire bulb of garlic here. A tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorns and half tablespoon black peppercorns. So super easy marinade for this chicken with just light soy sauce and Shaoxing wine. Make sure that you open your bottles before you touch the chicken. Just go ahead and give it a nice coverage. Shaoxing cooking wine, approximately same amount. What I'm going to do is scoop some of this marinade and pour on the inside. Just gonna let it sit for 30 minutes at least. If you would like, you can probably do this overnight in the refrigerator as well. While the chicken is getting ready, we will take care of these vegetables here. Out of these 4 onions, I'm going to choose 1, save this for the dipping sauce. Rest of them are just for steaming, so leaving the roots on is totally fine. For extra flavor, that just releases some of the juice. These thin strips are going to be just for garnish, totally optional. Place them in some ice water for the entire period of time, and they should curl up really nicely to make pretty presentation. I almost completely forgot the ginger, sorry, but here it is. For the garlic, make sure you separate at least 1 clove for the future dipping sauce. So the one for the dipping sauce, we want to make sure we remove this. Chop it like you normally would. Just about like this. Set this aside. For the rest of the garlic, just smashed is okay for steaming. Got the steamer capable pot here, couple cups of water, rack, and because I don't have big enough plate, I'm gonna use some foil. The chicken goes in. Nice color. Take all this liquid and now we can, start building this. I'm going with the chili peppers here, just hand torn, and I like to keep the seeds spicy. Put the onion right on top. And we're pretty much ready. On an actual heat source now, just go ahead straight up from 0 to finish. I am aiming about 20 minutes. When the water is boiling, just turn it down to medium simmer. Alright, after 20 minutes, let's take a look. It smells amazing, so to see if it's done or not, let's choose some thick part, like here. And the juices are clear and it's done. I'm gonna transfer it to a separate plate to let it cool off. So I'm just gonna let it sit like this. For the dipping sauce, remember we set aside chopped garlic and onion. I'm going to heat just like a tablespoon of sesame oil. When it starts smoking, can you see? Go in. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. And light soy sauce. Nice. Well, it's time to give this a taste. It certainly looks, smells great. The leg. Very good. This breast piece, dip this in a sauce. Watch out for the bones. Another one. Well guys, it's really delicious, not very complicated to make, and if you don't want to use half chicken, you can feel free to use chicken legs, breast, or any parts of your choice. This method is quite guaranteed to give you the juiciest piece of chicken and soft. A lot of times it is difficult to cook chicken breast, so go ahead and try it this way. You won't be disappointed. If you don't like Sichuan peppercorns, don't use them. Shaoxing cooking wine could be substituted with white dry wine. I think they recommend sherry, or you can skip it altogether. There's also no need to buy any kind of special soy sauce. It is as easy as this. You can just save some soy sauce from the Chinese takeout next time. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you give this a try. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I wish you nothing but the best. Take care.